Hi everyone, Jordan from ENTEC here. We've put together this quick video as a way to update you about the changes that we're making to our README cards and how they relate to the ELM or EMU licenses that we often include with our products. If you've purchased any stuff of ours before, new, you'll already be familiar with these handy little cards that point you towards user manuals, installation guides, firmware updates, and any of our other digital resources that we've created for you that will help you make the most of your ENTEC product. These little cards are now also part of our software licensing program, so they are more important than ever. Stay tuned and watch the whole video through because we're going to be walking you through the ins and outs of this new licensing process so that you can activate your bundle software hassle-free. But before we get to that, if you want to hear more tips and tricks or you want to stay up to date with ENTEC news and products and be notified when we go live, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss a thing. So, as you might know, if you've purchased any of our products, you get either a bonus time-based EMU premium license with our USB products. EMU is our light show controller, which allows you to run automated or audio responsive DMX light shows, leaving you to focus on the music. And if you purchase any of these products, our Pixel controllers, you get a complimentary ELM license of up to 48 universes depending on the controller, which could save you hundreds of dollars on your project. ELM is our powerful and intuitive 2D and 3D LED mapping software solution. It's the easiest and smartest way to convert your ideas into reality. It can control up to 2,048 universes of DMX 512, and it supports major industry standard Ethernet protocols. So why have we changed the process? In the past, to redeem these licenses, what you would do is you'd go over to our website, you would input the product serial number, and from there you would receive the license key for the software that relates to your product, so either ELM or EMU. We've had a few incidences of invalid serial numbers, so we've heard your feedback and we've changed the process slightly to overcome this issue. Inside the box, you will now see a sticker on your README card. This is a one-time use promo code. It's not your license. What you need to do is you need to put this code into the same My Account section of the website that you would normally put your serial number, and then you go through the same process to receive your activation license code in the email. So, there's going to be a transition period for this change, and this will depend on where and when you buy your ENTEC product. If you've just purchased an ENTEC product new that has the old README card without the sticker, don't stress, you can still get your licenses, just use the old serial number method that we talked about before. Alright, so just a bit of housekeeping. If your promo code doesn't work, don't stress, we're here to help you out. The first thing we'd like you to do is make sure that you've put the code in correctly. We need to make sure that you haven't mixed up the number 0 or the letter O. Here we have them on screen just to show you the difference between the two. If after you've checked everything you're still not having success, please get your promo code and the serial number associated with your device and contact ENTEC support using the link in the description of the video. If you put in your promo code and you haven't gotten your email, first thing we'd like you to do is just wait a few minutes and let your email server receive the email. Then check your spam and junk folder, and if it's still not there, get your promo code and the serial number off your device and contact support with the link in the description just like before. And that about concludes everything for today's video. Thank you for holding with us for this update. We want to try and communicate with our customers as best we can. We implemented this change based on your feedback, so we hope it solves the issues that you guys have experienced. If you do have further issues, get in contact with our support teams. They're very helpful, they're very responsive, and they're eager to make sure that you're getting your lighting systems up and running as quickly and simply as possible. Like, share and subscribe if you like this video or you found it useful, or you want to stay up to date with more videos like this or future unboxing live streams for new and upcoming products. You can comment down below if you have any questions or you think there's something that we missed. You can check out our social media pages if you want more ENTEC content, and stay tuned for more updates and more helpful ENTEC tips. At the start thing, you're still not having any success. I'm trying to ad-lib it. Cool. I got this. I was so close. All right, once more. Really quick, don't waffle, get it done. All right. So that concludes, because the other one was good, you're right.